gonna make sounds? You make sounds? Yeah. Cute girl. You gonna tell me any more? Yeah. What else? Tell me more. Yeah. Is your dress delicious? You're so yummy. Yep. Okay. Good job. Hudson's right here. What do you have in your mouth, Hudson? He has a bite of salad that I gave him like 20 minutes ago and he hasn't chewed it up yet. Yeah. Good job, Abby.